Hi everybody, I'm here at Universal Studios. I'm here with my aunt that's out of town. Here she is. Hi. Excited?
Very excited.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the wait time, see some construction for Fast and the Furious, and see what other fun stuff we can do. Hopefully, we're here on a Saturday, so hopefully it's not too crowded, but we'll check it out and kind of gauge on what to do first. But yeah, my aunt got super excited about this Hello Kitty. She's a huge Hello Kitty fan, so she's taking a photo or video of it. But yeah, it's pretty busy today for a Saturday. They close at 9. Gonna do Kung Fu Panda first. It's only a 10-minute wait. Show just exited right now, and we're heading towards our next showing. Hopefully we can get on this next showing right now.
It's the Monty Madagascar show.
Oh, come on. I know you all are here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest!
I'm the sweetest. I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
I will defeat you in the spirit realm.
Same. Yes.
Almost.
Very tall.
Thank you.
Bye, same.
Bye.
¿Qué dijo?
Dijo-
Up and then flips and turns around right here.
Oh, no way, it goes backwards?
Yeah. And then turns around and has a launch right here. That launches it up into this big thing. Then the big thing that goes over the escalator, under it, one more flip, and then to this side.
The donut, what does the other side?
So we're trying to like wait, like we're gonna be alone.
We lost some glasses, but we were able to find them at guest relations, so that was really, really cool. But we're on our way to the tram right now, hopefully to catch the Spanish tram.
Carl Lindley brought his movie company West and opened Universal Pictures on March 15, 1915. Mr. Lindley invited the public to visit his studio, and just like that, the world-famous studio tour was born. We didn't have the trams yet. They wouldn't come along until the 1960s, at which point the company was being headed by, at the time, company chairman Lou Wasserman. I'm going to talk about him in a moment, but first, passing in the shadow of our lower line escalator to the left. All this twisted metal. This is Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. An exciting new roller coaster to our Fast and Furious films. I can't think of a 95 Philadelphia during Live Aid for the pilot episode of Quantum Leap. They also appear as 1990s Boston, Framingham, and Massachusetts for the TED series on the Leap seasons as well. Seasons, oh my God, you gotta get back in the boat before the shark is got him. What do we do then? Help, police! Wait, you are the police. You were the police. Everyone, please remain seated at all times as we make our way across the dock. I think our boys have got the wrong shark. The real Jaws is still out there somewhere. He could be under this very pier. Does anybody happen to hear a low rumbling sound off in the distance? Uh-oh. Oh, on the left, it's a flash flood. Heading straight for the tram. Take cover. Oh, my God. I was trying to shrink on the event there. The rain is coming from a set of sprinklers above the tram. The flooding is the result of thousands of gallons of recycled water. 1994 live-action Flintstones movies and a dinosaur theme and also some street racers from the Fast and Furious films. On the right, the Fry's Electronics Tech Team van from Jordan Peele's Nope, and some Susie vehicles from the 2000 live-action How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and a picture car could also be the Ford Fairlane that was being driven by Marion Crane, played by Janet Leigh. Marion had been looking for a place to stay and maybe take a shower.
Take him out now! No, the gate, man! The gate! Ellen, take down! Ellen, the donor! Get over here, Freddy, what's wrong with this? He's getting away!
No help. Give me more books. What? It's Jeremiah's birthday? Tim Burton, get this. It's Jeremiah's birthday.
Jeremiah?
Jeremiah, right down here.
18 years old?
What?
I was 18 once.
Oh.
And that's the new earthquake. So the hot set, oh, I lied, it's not done. So they're a little bit different though, because they shoot the water up first. That's what falls down naturally for cameras. And when you see characters in a nice summer rain, it can be light, romantic. It is neither of those. They film in a downpour every time. It has to be that heavy because that's how it pops on screen, so our eyes can tell it's raining when we watch. And for actors in this is miserable. That water, freezing. Imagine being in it right now. And it can hurt. You hear how heavy it is. You're just getting pounded by it constantly. I'm gonna turn it off that way we don't get wet tonight. Oh, you've had to do it?
Probably watching me. Well, let them see what kind of a person I am.
You're taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie kid show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso Experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, lush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center